Now let's talk a little bit about how to use the bands. We have a 1-5-10 principle. This is how many minutes you're going to use the bands when you start. If you have any physical or health challenges and you could not go do 10 minutes of vigorous exercise, you can't currently exercise, you've got an injury, you've got a physical health challenge, you've got heart issues, you've got maybe you're using a walker or a wheelchair, you're going to start with 1 minute. If you could exercise, you could go for a vigorous walk, but you're not currently, you haven't been regularly exercising, you're going to start at 5 minutes. If you are currently exercising or have been using the bands, you want to get up around 10 minutes and can even go a little bit longer. So just remember 1-5-10. It makes it easy to know how long to use the bands. So let's give some examples. We have a lot of people that have physical challenges. So one of the things we do is we just have them sit down and stand up. Sit down, stand up. If they can't do it by themselves, their spouse or somebody will help them. They're in the bands for 1 minute. They'll feel the burn for about 20 to 30 seconds, and then they're done. You do this every other day. Here's another example of 1 minute. We'll get on the exercise bike, feel a little burn, and then we're done. We'll use some light dumbbells or even water bottles and do some arm exercises or use the tubing for 1 minute, feel the burn, then we're done. Now, people with physical challenges, the reason this is so beneficial is they can tolerate this amount of exercise normally, and they can tolerate the weight, especially if somebody's helping them. And when they start doing this and turn on growth hormone and nitric oxide, it starts the process of repairing and regenerating the body. And we've just seen fascinating results. Next, if you can exercise, but you're not currently, we've got a 5-minute program for you. One day you can do some cardio exercise, walk or yoga or exercise bike or elliptical. Another day you can do arm exercises. We've got arm exercise videos. And another day you can do legs. You decide. So it's as literally as simple as putting the bands on for 5 minutes when you get started. Now, we'd love to see the 1 minute people graduate 1.5, 2 minutes, and eventually get up to 5. And then we want to see the 5 minute people eventually get up to 10. If you're currently already exercising, we want to encourage you to start with 10 minutes. Pick 2 to 3 exercises. Like one exercise could be some arms. Another exercise could be some squats. Another exercise could be some plank exercises. Now, how long are you going to be in the burn? We want to be in the burn for a goal of half the time. Remember, 30 seconds, not feeling the burn, being in the burn for 30 seconds starts the growth hormone process. Being in it 2 to 3 minutes starts to maximize it. So you want to get up there to that 2.5 to 3 minutes. And then if you can get up to 5, 6, 7 minutes of feeling the burn, you're an Olympic level athlete, growth hormone. And it's as simple as starting with 1, 5, or 10 minutes. Now, how are you going to do this? Well, you're going to get an email from a coach. All of you that are starting new, you've got access to our video libraries. We have 5-minute burn libraries where we have great 5-minute videos that are done by all of our awesome customers and founders across the country. I recently did my favorite workout for you. If you're a 10-minute person, I want to encourage you to try this one. It's an 8-minute legs workout, and it's 8 minutes of crazy burn. That's why I call it Ocho Loco. You'll see me doing it with Sylvia. It is an incredible lower body workout. No weights. And you talk about building and burning. This will do it. And wow, does it turn on energy and growth hormone. So I typically do this every other day. And then on the next day, I typically do a quick cardio session. I like to go to the gym, so I'll get on the cardio equipment for 4 minutes. That's all it takes for me to get the burn. And then I'll do some upper or lower body work. I did it today. I was in Planet Fitness during my travels, 4 minutes of elliptical, did 8 minutes, 4 minutes of quad exercises, and I did 4 minutes of shoulder. Then I went and did 2 real quick minutes of some planks, 14 minutes. So these are my 2 workouts. And I've been doing this 6 or 7 years. So I'm working out an average of about 11 minutes per day. Now, you're going to have access to hundreds of videos, some of our feature workouts like 4-minute glutes, 3-minute guns, buns and guns, physically challenged golf, vibration plate, pickleball, yoga, rebounder. We've got all these on a mobile app and in our video library that will be shared with you.